Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Sundial Growers. The report was first published on our website April 6, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Sundial Growers for the upcoming trading day on Thursday 7th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Sundial Growers performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Sundial Growers stock currently holds a 2.683 score, and our system has ranked Sundial Growers buy or hold candidate since March 21, 2022. If you were following our analysis you would have had an amazing gain of 18.52% since we first told you to buy Sundial Growers 13 days ago. This is an average return of 1.42% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Sundial Growers, our last headline reads, Sundial Growers Incorporated stock price down 2.47% on Wednesday. The Sundial Growers Incorporated stock price fell by -2.47% on the last day, Wednesday, April 6, 2022, from 65 cents to 63 cents. And has now fallen 9 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 6.08% from a day low at 62 cents to a day high of 66 cents. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 3.97% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -719,000 shares and in total, 106 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $66.86 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1.49 and the lowest price was 40 cents. Right now the price is 57.71%, or 86 cents, below 52-week high and 95.23%, or $12.59, below all-time high August 7, 2019 where the price hit $13.22. The Sundial Growers stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 18.73% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 153.97% and 214.97%. The 12-month trend indicates a -35.28% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 94.62% and 140.72%. This equals a price between $1.23 and $1.52 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Sundial Growers stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the Sundial Growers stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Sundial Growers. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Sundial Growers Incorporated stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately 68 cents. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately 58 cents. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, March 25, 2022, and so far it has fallen -22.41%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 11 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Sundial Growers. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 57 cents and 50 cents. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Sundial Growers Incorporated finds support just below today's level at 57 cents. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at 50 cents and 48 cents. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.0377 between high and low, or 6.08%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.24%. Next upcoming earnings report for Q2 2022 is expected to be released August 10, 2022. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Sundial Growers meets first resistance at 66 cents. If you do not hold Sundial Growers shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Sundial Growers finds first level of support at 57 cents, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at 62 cents, 61 cents, 60 cents. Sell at 65 cents, 66 cents, 67 cents. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Sundial Growers is buy. Our recommended stop loss is 59 cents, minus 5.74%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 8 days ago. Is Sundial Growers stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Sundial Growers Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 7th, we expect Sundial Growers to open up $0.0061 and start trading at 64 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.